integral part of what I do, and this opportunity was like something which I could not just let go. So yeah, and something that inspires me is just the aesthetics around me. How wherever I go, whatever I do.
I think it was a fantastic session. For an amateur like me, I think I understood the concept of lighting, the size of lighting, the direction of lighting, the distance of lighting. So I think it was an amazing learning for me, a fantastic workshop and I really highly recommend it for anyone who wants to learn about food photography.
Aerocity is actually a very good location, but I think it could have been really better if we could have done the session on weekdays instead of weekend, because it's too much crowded. Else it's a very good location, no doubt, and I think I really liked shooting here, delivering this workshop here, and even the participants enjoyed it. Photography is for the enthusiast, but traditional photography, say if I have to do photography commercially, I'll go the traditional ways. I cannot do commercial photography with cell phones. But yes, of course, mobile photography has come a long way, no doubt, technologically, yes. For this session was food photography, and specifically people who uses their smartphones, their cell phones, and we had bakers, we had digital content creators for this session, and obviously some visual artists, enthusiasts who just like taking pictures here and there. So this complete food session was designed for these people. I mean, how best pictures they can bring out just with the cell phone, that's it.